This is first question, very basic question they given. Which of the following words can be formed using the set of alphabets given below? Okay, using this, we need to form the word, right? So, which of the following can be formed? Sometimes they'll say cannot be formed, sometimes can be formed likewise. Now, if you focus on this, here P is not available in the given, so it cannot be possible. T not available, it is not possible. C not available, not possible, but option A is correct. Problem with C in second option, P in third one, T in next one. So only possible one is first option. Right, enough. Option A is only correct. Now see the second one. Most number of vowels occurred in which of the following sentences? These are the options among that which is having most number of vowels. See, in general, 90% of the times, which is having more number of vowels is the sentence which is larger. More words, more vowels automatically will come. So if sentence is bigger, then we'll have more chances to get more number of vowels. This is the option, and in fact, we can count it very fastly as well. So focusing on vowels. So here 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here 8 only. Here 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here also 8. Here 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here also 8 only. But here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. More vowels. It's a basic. Okay. So sometimes they'll ask least number of vowels, most number of vowels like that. Sometimes in previous question cannot be formed, can be formed, cannot be formed. Read the question properly. Okay. And this type of model is very important. People who are preparing for SSC as well. Staff selection commissions, there is one different question. Can be formed, cannot be formed using given letters. And yeah, statements and conclusions. Raju must reach railway station by 5 a.m. The train is scheduled at 5 a.m. The station will be closed after 5 a.m. Which of the conclusions are correct with respect to given statement? For the given statement, which is correct? Is it only one, only two, both, neither nor, either nor? Only one. See, train is scheduled at 5 a.m. Okay, Raju must reach by 5 a.m. Maybe he didn't taken the ticket so far. He need to go for the ticket counter. He need to take the ticket. Maybe train is at 5:10. Or he is in the first platform, train is in the sixth platform. How can we conclude first one? If train is scheduled at 5 a.m., if he reach at 5 a.m., he cannot catch the train, right? He need to go for fifth platform or sixth platform, some other platform. He may have that ticket or may not be there. So first one I cannot say. Conclusion means definitely true. Okay, with that I cannot say. And station will be closed after 5 am is a blunder. So it's no way. Neither one not. Neither conclusion one nor conclusion two. Next, again, statements and conclusions. The average age of students in a class is 15. That's the statement. So how many students in that class not given? Right, so they said average age of the students in a class is 15. And conclusion, number of students is 15, sum of the race is 225. Maybe number of students is 10, the race is 150 also possible. 150 divided by 10 is 15 only. Average is total divided by number of students, I agree. But total can be 500 or total can be 1500. Number of students is 100. 1500 divided by 100, that's also possible. Why I have to say first one only? This is definitely true. I cannot say number of students is 15. I cannot decide that. I don't know. They didn't say it in the question, right? Then 5 members are above 15 years. 5 members are below 15 years exactly. Is that? Maybe all are 15. All are exactly 15 age also possible. Or else, okay, I can say 10, 10. Okay, it may be why only 5, 5? That's first question is that. Why only 5 members and 5 members? It can be 20 members, 10 and 10. They didn't given total number of people, right? So I'll just give you with 5 numbers. Yes, 10, 10, 15, 20, 20. This one average also same only. This one average also 15 only. 10, 10, 15, 20, 20. You do average, we got, okay, 20, there 60, 75 divided by 5, 15. Why 5 members less than 15? Why 5 members more than 15? Maybe a student with age exactly 15 also possible. Definitely true. I cannot say this. Right? So see this statements and conclusions. Conclusion is definitely true. Maybe first one may be a chance. Second also may be a chance. I also give you okay. Like 11, 12, and this is a 3 gap. No, I will go for 18 and 19. This is yes, average. Okay, two people less than 15, two people more than 15. Average is 15 only. We do summation 60 divided by 415. Maybe a chance like that 5 members less than 15, 5 members more than that. Maybe a chance. But the conclusion means definitely true. Number of students may be 15. If number of students is 15, then totally 225. Okay. They have to say if the number of students is 15, then sum of their ages is 225, then I can say correct. Here they are not saying if and all, they are directly concluding number of students is 15. Wait, they didn't mention the question. Or in question statement, if it is the data like average of students in a class is 15, there are 8 boys and 7 girls in the class, then okay, 15 people, 15 into 15, then first one correct. If I add one line, there are 7 boys and 8 girls, or 8 boys and 7 girls, or there are 18 to 15 students in the class, something like that, then first one correct. Okay, but as of now, we cannot conclude first one only true, I cannot claim that. So neither one or two. Now this is series with respect to letters also we need to focus. Series with respect to numbers fine, but series with respect to letters also we need to focus. Option C. Okay, so if you see the first letters, okay, RO, it is L. This is 3 multiples 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. L required. And last letter, if you observe, okay, middle letter K in how it's already fixed. Last letter we have to see PM. This is 16, 13, then 10, then 7 and 4. 3, 3 gap. 16, 13, minus 3, yes. This is plus, this is also minus 3. All are minus 3. These also say minus 3 related stuff. Or okay, it's really reverse. Okay, why all these things? PQR, MNO, yeah, DEF, GHI, after I, J, K, L. It's reverse order A to Z. A to Z in reverse order, DEF, GH. That's what, there are a lot of ways to solve the question. Now, sixth question. Ravi has currency notes of rupees 500, 200 and 100 and 50, and the number of notes is given. The total amount of money with Ravi is 53,550. How many 50 rupees notes are there? See, in GATE exam, GATE 2024 also, they given a question similar to this. In GATE 2024 also, you can find a question like this. Yeah, if you observe 500, 200, 100 and 50, fine. Number of notes are 16, 28, 34 and 17. The question is regarding number of 17 rupee notes. See, wantedly all options they given divided by 17. This should be definitely 17 multiple. 17 50 times, 17 1 times, 17 3 times. This is 17 150 times like that. They given all are 17 multiples only. But sir, how can we solve the question? See, without wasting time, taking x and all, what do people can do? I'll take number of notes. 16, 28, 34, and 17. No, I'll take this is 16. This is actually 16K, 28K, like that I have to take. I'm taking directly 16, 28, 34, and 17, like that. Then I'm calculating what is the amount. Amount 500 rupees note 16 means 8,000. 200 rupees notes 28 means how much amount? 5,600. 100 rupee notes 34 means 3,000. This is 850. Adding all 9,000 here 8,000, 17,850 rupees. But in question, how many notes? Sir, what is the money? This is the money. This is regarding the amount. But in question they given 50, 3,550. The relationship is into 3. Means all this number of notes also into 3 only. 50 rupee notes are 51. We have to do into 3. See, initially I assumed, and I'm correcting my answer because I got different answer. I got 17,850, but clearly given in the question, the amount is 53,550. 17,000 linking with 50,000 something. It's actually into 3 required. So then, if they ask how many 200 rupee notes are there, what should be your answer? How many 200 rupee notes? 28 into 3, 84. They can ask you how many 500 rupee notes, how many 50 rupee notes. Likewise, so here, how many 50 rupee notes are 51? All are 17 multiples in the option. Now, time, speed, and distance related question. A train running at a speed of 60 km per hour crosses a pole in 9 seconds. What is the length of the train? Distance. Distance, speed, time. Time is 9 seconds. Speed 60 km per hour. In options, we can observe distance is in meters, timing is in seconds. So we are forced to convert 60 km per hour to meter per second. And distance, pole length is negligible. Distance is nothing but equal to length of the train. Front of the train should cross the back of the train. Okay, entire front and back, entire train should go from the front to the back. So the distance is nothing but length of the train. Pole length is negligible compared to train length. So we can ignore. So here distance is length of the train. Distance is speed into time. Speed is 60 into 5 by 18. Timing is 9. So answer is 150 meters. Distance is speed into time. Speed given in kilometer per hour. We need to convert into meters per second. Timing they given 9 seconds. Why meters per second is distance is in meters. Timing is in seconds. Now next question pretty much similar to previous one. But here length of the bridge we have to calculate. Train length is 130. So when train crossing a bridge, distance, speed, and timing. Timing they given 30 seconds. Speed. Bridge is not moving, only train is moving. Speed is 45 kilometer per hour. But we are again multiplying with 5 by 18. Why? Options distance is in meters. Now distance is, see, bridge length is not negligible compared to train length. So length of the train plus length of the bridge. When train is crossing the pole or man, pole length negligible, man length negligible. But when train is crossing a bridge, length of the train plus length of the bridge. So again, distance is speed into time. Distance is length of the train, 130 plus length of the bridge. Speed is, this is 9 2 times, 9 5 times. 25 divided by 2. into 30, which is 375 meters. So answer is 245. Bridge length is 245. Train length is 130. Train crossing a bridge in 30 seconds. Train length is 130. Train speed is 45 km per hour. Time and work, time and distance, ratios concept. Yeah, just now I said time and work. Next question related to time and work. Efficiency of A is 25% more than B, and B takes 25 days to complete the work. B 25 days, A will take less than 25 or more than 25. A efficiency is more, then time taken will be less. A efficiency more, then time taken will be less. Okay. See, they can give A complete the work in 20 days, B in 25 days directly. This is what, okay, that first line they given, okay, some extra point. A efficiency is more. See, efficiency of A and B is in the ratio 125%. If B is 100, A will be 125. This is 5 and 4 ratio. Then timing will be 4 and 5 here. Timing is 4 and 5 because they are inversely proportional. Time and efficiency are inversely proportional. Now, A timing is what? This is related to 25 days. Then this one related to 5 into 5 is 25, then that is 4 into 5. So they can give, that's what I'm telling, they can give directly, A will complete the work in 20 days, B in 25 days, like that. But they're not given. This is where they added some efficiency part, then we need to crack. After that, what this given, A started a work alone and then B joined her 5 days before actual completion of the work. For how many days A worked alone? Okay. Now here, if you observe, the question is, okay, first thing indirectly given, A can complete the work in 20 days. I hope you understand how we crack the data. A 20 days, B 25 days. Then I can fix work is nothing but equal to 100 pages. A can type 5 pages per day, B can type 4 pages per day. A efficiency is more than B, you can clearly observe that. A efficiency more than B only. Right. And here A worked alone, but A and B together worked for 5 days. Because B joined with whom? A. 5 days before the actual completion means A and B together worked for 5 days and A worked alone for some days. What is the days you have to calculate? But total work should complete is how many pages? Total work 100 pages. Now see, 100 pages is your work. A and B available for 5 days. A only worked for some days. That's what you need to calculate. But total work should be together equal to 100 pages. Now A plus B together if they are working, A can type 5 pages per day, B can type 4. 9 pages they can type per day, right? How many days they are there? 5 days. 9 into 5, 45 pages are typed. Now what is the remaining work? 50. Who should do that 55 pages? What A can do? 5 pages per day. So A alone should work for 55 divided by 5, 11 days. Together they worked for 5 days. Sometimes they'll ask you what is the total time taken to complete the work. What is the answer? Total time taken to complete the work 60. Initially 11, then 5. A alone is 11 days. Total time taken is 16. So we should read the question. Here you see how many days alone worked is 11. Excellent question, I can say this is. Okay, after first line, fine, but first line efficiency given. Okay, A alone how many days not given directly, but you are supposed to crack that A alone how many with that efficiency related. Time and efficiency are inversely related. So B taken 25 days, and a lot of people will do this mistake also. Sir, you said inversely. Here A is 25% more than B means in timing A is 25% less than B is wrong. Inversely means not like that. 25% inverse is 20 actually. If there is 25% increase, if you want to bring it back, you decrease by 20%. That's it. If anything is increased by 25%, now if you want to bring it back to same position, decrease by 20. That's it. Not 25%. 20% is sufficient. Okay, so that if you apply also fine, but don't apply there 25 here 25 decrease. That's not correct. Okay, try to understand that. Some small mistakes people generally will do is that. Now see this question, next level question I can say, because they are 1 minute each other like that. You just read the question first. There are three pipes A, B, and C attached to container. A and B are filling that container alone in 20 and 30 minutes respectively, whereas C can empty the container alone in 45 minutes. The three pipes are kept opened alone for 1 minute each in the order A, B, and C. First minute, here this is alternate concept I can say. First minute A only open, because sir, how can you say sir 1 minute each? First minute A open, then close. Second minute B open, then close. Third minute C open. Fourth minute A, again fifth minute B, sixth minute C. Like that the process is going on. Then how many minutes it is required to fill the tank? And there is a one common mistake everybody will do. This question is linked with the monkey puzzle. There is a puzzle, monkey need to climb a wall 20 meters. First hour it will climb 5 meters. Second hour it will fall down 3 meters. Next hour 5 meters climbing. Next fourth hour 3 meters. First hour 5 meters climbing. Second hour 3 meters slips down. Third hour 5 minutes climbing. Fourth hour 3 meters slip down. Fourth hour like it's continued. Okay, after how much time it will climb the wall? This question we are here filling, then sir, why you are mapping that? A and B are filling. First 2 minutes filling is happening. Third minute empty is happening, decreasing. Like you are climbing the wall and slipping down, slips down. Okay, it's almost related to that. And many people will do mistakes, and that's why wantedly I remove the options also. You're fine in options. Okay, fine. Now if options keep, then you'll start confused also. Fine, let it be. I keep options also. A can fill the tank in 20, B 30, C empty it in 45. Options also shown now. Revising maximum concepts related to quantum reasoning. So what is the answer? Fine, maybe okay. After 3 steps, you may think about some answer. Let me complete up to the 3 steps basic. So A can fill the tank in 20 minutes. B can fill the tank in 20 minutes. Sorry, 30 minutes. C can empty the tank in 45 minutes. Super. Now, what is tank capacity? 20, 30, and 45. 90, no, 180, fine. 180, okay, but before that, yeah, 180 only. So 180 liters is what I am assuming tank capacity. This is my assumption. Now 180 liters, 20 minutes means A can fill 9 liter per minute. Plus means filling 9 liter per minute. B 6 liter per minute. C emptying 4 liter per minute. A and B are filling, C is emptying. Right. I'll add one more line. Okay. Now, as per the question, the process is like first minute A open. What is A job? 9 liter per minute. 9 liters are filled. Plus 9. Second minute B is open. B job is also filling. B will fill 8 liters. How you know 9 and 8, sir? You observe here what is this plus 9? What is this meaning? Filling 9 liter per. In 1 minute it can add 9 liters to the tank. This is adding 6 liters in 1 minute. What is this minus 4? It will remove 4 liter per minute. Yeah, second is 6, sorry. Fine, this is 6. Okay, agreed. Now, third minute, see what it will do. It will remove 4 liters. So, in 3 minutes completed. In 3 minutes, what is happened? 11 liters are filled. 9 plus 6, 15. 15 minus 4, 11. The total target, 180. In 3 minutes, 11 liters. Next 3 minutes also 11 liters only. Fourth and fifth, 9 and 6 will add. Okay, sixth minute, 4 will be subtracted. So after 6 minutes, situation is 22 liters. After 9 minutes, 33 liters. Now question, you need to fill the tank. How minutes it will be filled? So answer. The target 180 liters. Sir, 3 minutes 11 liters for 180 multiply by 16, sir. This is multiply by 16. 3 into 16, 48 minutes. For 48 minutes, 176 liters only. But you want 180. No option with more than 47 there. So your approach is wrong. Listen, okay, to avoid mistakes or to give the correct procedure, first what you have to do, what are the filling capacities that first you remove from the total target. Total target is how much? 180 liters. Here initially filling capacity is 9 and 6. Remove that. Then your target will be 165 liters. Now 3 minutes 11 liters. 3 minutes 11 liters. If you do into 15, if you do into 15, 45 minutes, 11 into 15, 165 liters are completed. Is yes or no? Anywhere wrong? 165 liters are completed in 45 minutes. 45 minutes means ABC completed. Now 46th minute who will come? To avoid mistake, I am telling you clearly. If you do directly, you will end with wrong answer. If in this up and down, filling and emptying, climbing and slipping down, in all these questions, if you want to avoid the mistake, what are the climbing capacity remove from the target first? Okay, what are the filling capacity? Remove that from the target. Total target 180, but I can fill 9 and 6 positive plus. filling that you remove 165 only first put target. So for that 165 I came to know 45 minutes I can do the job. 45 minutes 165 liters, okay. 46th minute A will come into picture. What A can do? What A can do? It can add 9 liters. It become 174. 47th minute who will come to picture? B. B will add or subtract? Remove. Add. How much it will add? 180 liters. Our target 180 reached. Time 47 minutes. 47 minutes. Option D 47 minutes. No, sir, I'll do directly. Here 11 liters 3 minutes. I'll directly try for 180. You will get wrong answer because you already reached the target. Some people argue, sir, 47 minutes 180, 48 minutes it will become 160, 176. See, when you generally when you climb the tree also, why will slip down is we don't have grip. Let's say you are climbing a coconut tree. Okay, once you reach the top, we'll get the grip. We can hold with that, right? So we'll slip in between only, not when reach the top. Already reached 180. That monkey reached 180 meter side. Okay, top is this. That is having some hold. It cannot slip down now. Slipping down is possible because of that. That's practical. You can understand that also. Right? So 180 liters, 47 minutes. Already reached the target. Why again you are going 180 minus 4, then again? Not required. Any question regarding this filling and emptying, alternate 1 minute this one, 1 minute that one. First you remove the filling capacity and repeating. There are many questions where people are doing wrong in this type of scenario. So kindly go through it. Okay, excellent question. This is regarding pipes and systems. Bit next level question. This is why we request people generally to attend for regular classes so that you'll have some basic concepts in your mind. Then we can build next level from that. Okay. Now let's see about the 11th question. This I'll say difficult question. I am not saying easy. Now 11th one. The average of 30 numbers is 60. First 7 of them is 57 and average of last 7 is 61. Find the 8th number. Now first 30 numbers means from where to where? 1, 2, 3, so on up to 13. First 7 numbers means 1 to 7. Last 7 numbers means among 30 numbers, first 7 means 1 to 7. 1, 2, 3 up to 7. Last 30 numbers means last 7 numbers means sorry. Last 7 numbers means 7 to 13, which is common in sorry. First 7, last 7. Yeah, last 7. First 7 is 1 to 7, last 7 is nothing but as you mentioned. Yeah, 7, 8, 9, from there we have to go up to 13. Common is 7th number. Actually, they have to ask 7th number. 8th number is not possible. Actually, they have to ask 7th number. Okay, among 30 numbers, first 7 means 1 to 7 will come. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last 7 numbers means 7 to 13. You can count 7, 8, 9, 10, 4, 11, 12, 13, 7. Common in both is 7. Actually, they have to ask 7th number. 8th number, if they ask, cannot be determined is actually answered. Now listen, sir, how to approach these type of questions? Average is sum of terms by number of terms, but in question average is already given, means then sum equal to average into number of terms. Sum is equal to average into number of terms we need to approach. Here, 13 number summation means x1 to 13. See, actually I have to write x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 so on up to x13. Exam time waste. I am writing x1 to 13, meaning is that x1 dash 13 means x1 plus x2, x3, x4 so on up to 13. Average is 60, number of terms is 13, which is equal to 780. First 7 numbers, sum is average 57, number of terms 7, 350 plus 49, 399. Last 7 numbers, this is summation. X7 to 13 means what? x7 plus x8, x9, so on up to, okay, 61 into 7, which is 427. Okay. Now, actually, seventh number they have to ask. Seventh number is what they need to ask. Now, if they ask about seventh number, see, I can write x1 to 7 plus x7 to 13 is nothing but x1 to 13 plus x7. See this left hand side and right hand side. How, sir? See, x1 to 7 means x1 plus x2 plus x3, so on up to x7. Again, x7 to 13 means 7, 8, 9 up to 13. Okay, if I take this 7 separately, if I take remaining 1, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 2, up to 13 will come. That is x1 to 13. x7 is double time came, 1 I pulled it out. So x1 to 7 is 399. Here 427. This is 780. Here 400 plus 426, 826. 826 means this will be 46. X7 is 46. Sir, no sir, in exam they are asking only 8th number. And there is no option called cannot be determined. Actually, there is a mistake in question, but we cannot question the company. So you just consider it's a 7th number only. They had to ask 7th number, but see, in government sector jobs, they'll release the paper publicly for everybody. They can, who are written the exam, who didn't written the exam, everybody can watch it, and they release the key. If there is anything you want to counter, you can give the counter, they'll change the key. But companies don't expect that. If you are taking any photos, it's a crime, first of all. You are not allowed to take any photos of questions and all. You will be in the trouble actually. Okay, if you want to give a complaint, you are the one who is in the trouble. Okay, so among question, best one. Okay, there is a mistake. Correct it and find the best among options. So actually they're given for 8th number, but this is the 7th number. It's not possible for 8. Now blood relation question, one question. Pointing to Manju, Raju said, the son of her only brother. Who said this statement? Raju. Here her means Manju. Okay. The son of Manju only brother. Manju is having only one brother, son. Means nephew. Let it be, we'll draw the diagram. That's what first line meaning dear. Here to here completed. The son of Manju only brother. Manju only brother, son. Right. Next. After that is brother of my wife. So this guy, this person who is Manju brother own son, that person is brother of my wife. My means here Raju, wife, brother. Raju, wife, brother. Okay, Raju, wife, brother. Manju, brother, son, both are same. Now question regarding how is Manju related to Raju. Manju is above generation compared to Raju. Above generation. One generation above. Grandmother, no. Grandmother, no. Then, yeah, sister of father-in-law is correct. See, your wife father is father-in-law. Raju, wife father is this guy. So this guy's father-in-law for Raju. Father-in-law sister. So sister of father-in-law is correct. Sister of father-in-law. Okay, your spouse, your wife or husband, father is father-in-law, mother is mother-in-law, right? So this is sister of father-in-law. Good question, actually. This is. Now see this 13th question. A can do a work in 10 days, B do it in 12 days, A and C can do the same work together in 8 days, then approximately in how many days B and C together can finish? Again, good question this is. Approximately options are in 7.2, 9.2, 10.1. You can do approximation points are that. One is in 7, one is in 9, one is in 8, one is in 10 point something. 10.9 or 11. Good question actually, because A alone 10 days, B alone 12, A and C together 8. Now question is B and C together. So why I said this question is big, a good question is like, okay, normal method means your common method is fine, but there is one shortcut also we can apply. See, our normal method we can take LCM. A alone 10 days, B alone 12 days, A and C together 8 days. So 10, 12 and 8, okay, LCM will be 120 pages is work. I am assuming the work is 120 pages. Then A will type 12 pages per day. A, B will type 10 pages per day. This is 15 pages per day, but who is this 15? A and C. Let me know what is C efficiency now. From that, A and C together 15. A can type 12 pages per day. A capacity is 3 pages per day. But question is, C alone or B and C together? B and C together. If it is B and C together, what is their efficiency? 13. Now 120 divided by 13 is your answer. 9 point something, less than 10 will come, right? So B efficiency is 10, C efficiency is 3, 13 pages per day. This is B plus C. Now time is work by efficiency, work is 120, efficiency is 13. It's less than 10 days, close to 10 or 39 times 117. Okay, it's 9, 3 by 13 is required. 9 point something. So option B. 9 point something, option B. A alone given, B alone given, A and C is given. Now asking about B and C combination. Right, sir. What is the other approach, sir? I said together given how to calculate alone. If alone is given, how to calculate together. Let me know how to do that. If together is given, how to calculate alone. Together given alone means product divided by together given alone. Product divided by difference. Alone given together means now you can use the trick to solve this above question. How, sir? See, they mentioned in question like A alone how many days? 10 days. A and C together 8 days. Right. Can I calculate C from this? C is alone. Alone is what? Product divided by difference 40 days. A given A and C. A and C together is available. I want calculate alone means product divided by difference. Now, final question is regarding B and C. B alone 12. C alone 40. Now you want together. When alone is given together to be calculated means product divided by summation. For 10 times, for 13 times. Same last step if you see 120 divided by 13, 9 3 by okay approximately 9 days or 9 3 by see same thing here 120 divided by 13. This is the other one. Product divided by difference, product divided by summation. Okay, you may get this type of thought process as well. Right. Now this question, after discussing one question related to efficiency, expecting you people to answer. Ramu efficiency is more or Kumar efficiency is more? Ramu efficiency more. Then Kumar will take more time or Ramu will take more time? Whose efficiency is more? Ramu efficiency more. So Kumar will take more time. That is why options are more than 36. Options all are more than 36 because of that. Right, then how can we do this, sir? See, efficiency of Ramu and efficiency of Kumar, if this is 100, this should be, this is 5 by 4. And timing of Ramu and timing of Kumar should be 4 by 5. Ramu we know 36. Kumar is what we need to calculate, which is 45. Which is 45. See, related to efficiency, they can give question easily like this. Time and efficiency are inversely proportional. Right, so see the next one. Data interpretation related question. Actually, I can understand table is not visible. Okay. See, actually, what is this data? I'll just try to read it out. Okay, I'll try to zoom it and then I'll close it. See, here in CAT exam, GRE, GMAT, GATE exam. Okay, after BTech, a lot of people will try all these things. Okay, at the end of BTech or after BTech, CAT, GRE, GMAT, GATE and all. How many people are applying in local? How many people are applying international? GATE exam, any other country people also can take exam. GATE, GRE and all, fine. How many applied locally? How many applied international? Applied. Appeared for exam. How many qualified? This is total people applied. Then next, okay, this is first two columns. The second column, third column is applied related. Next two columns is related to number of students appeared. Next, last one is qualified. Here appeared is there. Last column is regarding qualified. Okay, we have three different data here. One is regarding applied, one is regarding appeared, one is regarding qualified as well. Okay. Then how to calculate disqualified is among applied, qualified remove. Among applied students, they removed qualified, that is remaining equal to disqualified. If you are not attending also, they are considering as disqualified. Applied, appeared, qualified is given. They given in the question, it's not from my end. In question they define what is disqualified candidates is nothing but applied candidates minus qualified candidates. Sir, they given 3.6 and all brackets they given lakhs. Number of students and number of applicants is integer only. 3.6 lakhs. Lakhs are mentioned. Okay. But first thing, let me see what they're asking. GMAT and GATE disqualified percentage. So first of all, GMAT and GATE, how many people are applied? Then disqualified out of total. Okay, these two together total. How I get total is who are applying is what we'll consider. GMAT applied local and international is 7 plus 2, 9 lakh people. 9 lakhs. GATE is 4 plus 3, 7 lakhs. So applied is 16 lakhs. Applied 16 lakhs. Next in question, how to know disqualified? Applied minus qualified. Now I have to go for qualified. Qualified 1.8 plus 0.4, 2.2 lakhs qualified in GMAT. Qualified Q. This is applied A. Qualified is 1.4 plus 1.8 plus 0.4, which is anyhow 2.2 lakhs. Gate qualified is 1.4 plus 0.4, 1.8 lakhs qualified. So together qualified is 4 lakhs. So 25% are qualified, 75% not qualified. How 25%? So 4 lakhs out of 16. 4 out of 16 means 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is 24%. 25% qualified, 75% disqualified. Disqualified is applied minus qualified, 12 lakhs. Percentage is 12 out of 16. 3 by 4 into 100 means 75%. So I just calculated qualified, then remove from 100. So applied and qualified. Appeared they are not considering, so don't waste your time. Appeared also not qualified is wasted. Next they're asking total local candidates qualified in GMAT is 1.8 actually. To that of total international candidates who disqualified in GMAT and GATE. Okay. Local candidates qualified in GMAT. First one qualified in GMAT is 1.8. That's what I mentioned. Qualified in, this is 1.8 plus 0.4. 1.8 is local, 0.4 is international, 1.8 is qualified. So put that 1.8 lakhs, 1.8 lakhs. First term, local students qualified. But next one, not only GMAT, you need to take GMAT and GATE, disqualified international students. Disqualified international students, how can we get? How many applied minus qualified in international? GMAT applied international 2 lakhs, qualified is 0.4. Applied 2 lakhs people GMAT, qualified is 0.4, means 1.6 disqualified in GMAT. Gate qualified 0.4 but applied 3. Among 3 lakhs, 0.4 lakhs only international qualified. 2.6 are not qualified. So 1.8 lakhs and 4.2. 6 3 times, 6 7 times. Option D. 3 and 7. GMAT GATE. First one qualified local candidates qualified in GMAT with respect to total international, one moment, sorry. Local candidates only 1.888 GMAT. Yeah, 1.8 locally. So with respect to international candidates who disqualified in GMAT and GATE together is 3:7 ratio. So they'll give a data, we need to just work on the data. That's what. Now see about this excellent question. Let me check how many of you are able to answer. This is what is next number? No. Don't say next number is 25. Question is sum of first 30 terms of this series. Here 7 terms are available. I want 30 terms. Summation of 30 terms. Solve. So what's the answer? Option C. Okay. See, right. So these terms are in AP, arithmetic progression. So in arithmetic progression, sum of terms in AP is nothing but number of terms divided by 2, which is 30 divided by 2, 15. So that will give actually my answer. My answer should be divided by 3 and 5, only option C. The answer should be divided by 5. It's 15 into something. I don't want to calculate what is that. It should be divided by 5. My answer should be divided by 5. Number of terms divided by 2 into first term plus last term. So no sir, we know formula 2a plus n minus 1 into d. That's all derived from first term and last term. First term is what here? 4. How to calculate last term, sir? How many terms they said? This is 3 into 1 plus 1. First term is 3 into 1 plus 1. Second term is 3 into 2 plus 1. Last term, 30th term is 3 into 30 plus 1. 91. So you have to do 15 into 95. 15 into 90, 1350. 15 into 5, 75, 1425. Okay. But see, the approach, my point, no need of that other term. Anyhow, that 2a plus n minus 1 today are first in plus last term is integer. My answer should be divided by 15. Means it should be divided by 5. Only one option divided by 5 is C. We don't want to waste our time by doing remaining stuff. Right? So, now see the next question. So question is regarding 15 employees in department C. Employees in A, B and C is 1 is to 2 is to 3. How many employees in each department? Okay, so 1, 2 and 3 they given 15 employees. This is related to 15. Then this is related to 5. Sir, what about B? They're asking about department A only. In A, 5 employees are there. Okay, fine. But salaries, each employee, each employee is getting 3 is to 2 is to 1 ratio. Here, let us say A person is getting 30,000, B 20,000, C 10,000. This is how companies also working. If they're paying more for high salaries, only few people. Least salary, more people will be there. That's what we can. That's what the hierarchy also. That this is exact the meaning. Okay, number of employees are less, their salaries are more. When number of employees are more, their salaries are less. So that's what you can see as per hierarchy. They'll go ahead. Now, fine. Okay, here they given each person salary of A. Each person in A, B, and C is 3, 2, and 1 ratio. Means let's say 3,000, okay, 1,000 like that also 15 members salary. So some of their salaries regarding that C means 15 employees in C. Okay, 15 C department C if you observe 15 employees salary is nothing but equal to 2,000. Okay, so then one employee is nothing but 400 divided by 3. Maybe this is per minute per hour. Take it in positive, right? So 400 divided by 3. Now, questions regarding A. So department A, 5 employees are there. Department A, 5 employees are there. So 5 into salary of A is required. Here C is nothing but equal to, salary of C is nothing but equal to X. 3 is to 2 is to 1. Salary of A is equal to 3X. So 5 into 3 into X, 400 divided by 3, 3 get cancelled. Answer is 2000. Answer is 2000. In fact, all these are actually waste. What I recommend is, listen, all this basically waste. What you can do, total salary, you do the product. 343. A and C salaries are same. Total salaries are how many employees in each one, right? See, if you go for this is each one's person salary in ABC, salary of each person in ABC. This is how many employees. What is total salary? You do the product. This is all actually time waste. What I recommend in this type of questions is directly you attack. Total employees in ABC departments are the ratio. They given 1, 2, 3. Salaries of each person in ABC are 3 to 1. Now total salary ratio, total salary of A, sum of salaries are total salaries of B is nothing but product 1 into 3, 2 into 2, 3 into 1, 3. So A and C, sum of the salaries will be same. As C salary is 2000, A salary also 2000. Okay, if we do also finally we'll get same answer. That's what we already did all calculation, but this is simple. Sum of salaries are total salaries. Here T means total. I'll write that also later confusion. Total salaries. Sum of salaries. This is each one salary. This is number of employees in each department. Right, so then you can get the things easily. So let's see about the next question. Ratios combination with percentage. Let me see how many of you will get the answer. Not difficult, not that much difficult. In first edition, white pages and color pages, sir, we'll write 1E. 1E means first edition. White and color are 6:7. In 2E, second edition, they want to increase. White pages should be increased by 10%. Color, 10% increase means 110% into 6. Colored, how much increase? 120% into 7. This is 10, 11 times, 10, 12 times, 6 1s, 6 2s, 2 1s, 2 5s, 5 and 7. Not there in the options. Okay, I did wrong. This should be 11. This is 11. 11 and this should be 14. 11 and 14 option C. 10, 11 times, 10, 12 times, 6 1, 6 2. So we got 11 and 14 option C. Why 110, why 120%? Please see that. Or else if you are not understanding what you can do now, sir, I am not getting this point. What you can do, you take color pages are, white pages are 60, color pages are 70 initially. White pages are 60, color pages are 70. Satisfying that ratio. You take 600, 700 also no problem. Next, first edition. Next edition, what should be white pages? 10% increase. 10% of 60 is 6. It becomes 66. Color pages 20%, 10% is 7, 20% means 14, it become 84. 66 and 84, 6 11 times, 6 14 times. This is other way, okay. First one with directly attacking in ratio, second one taking some numeric value and attacking. Okay, attempting that. So it's your wish, you go to the method. Now, seating arrangements. Reasoning started, your work starts. More from your end. Try this. And here, as per the question, okay, two friends are sitting between B and H, fine. But is it clockwise or anti-clockwise? Not given. Two people between B and H, okay. This side or that side, that's a problem, okay. Now, generally, what we'll do in this type of seating arrangements, first we'll draw the layout, and along with that, who is more in the discussion, we'll keep that person first. We'll take that person into loop first. So we have 8 people. One, two, three, four, seven, 8 slots. Okay. And here they given discussion more about F. It seems like F is there in 3 times it's occurred. B also 2 times only. I think I can go with F or H like that. F and H is more likely discussion actually. I'll go for F. Okay, how can you place F, sir? There is a statement. G sits start to the right of F. G sits start to the right of F. Somewhere, if I keep F first right, second right, third right, G will be here. Then related to G and F, H, F, and D do not sit opposite to B. Okay. E likes to sit with H and F. E likes to sit with H and F. This way or this way, two ways possible. Fine. A is best friends with G and D and thus sits with both of them. A best friends are G and D, sits with both of them. So it can be DAG or this side. So we'll write all possibilities. So first I'm trying in this way. So G and D are best friends for A, and they're given one more related to, yeah. E likes to sit with H and F. So E likes to sit. I'm trying trial and error. DA can be right side, E and H can be this side also. I'm just doing trial and error. Then there is a condition H, F, and D do not sit opposite to B. B opposite. Okay, only 2 slots. Wherever I keep B, that is giving a conflict for me, so it's not possible. This arrangement is failed. Okay, I'm doing trial and error. That blue color water I written, it's a trial and error case. Now I can put DA to that side, this side G, right side. A, okay, I'll put that. Okay, then I can put E and H here. E and H. A likes to sit with D and G. Now H, F, and D cannot sit opposite to B. Yeah, B should be this lot. H opposite B is not there. Okay, D opposite B is not there. F opposite B is not there. So now question, who is second to the left of D is nothing but D only. H second to the left of D is D. And who is this candidate? C. The entire arrangement. Maybe you take an F at some other place. Okay, but if you check it out clockwise from F, you should get B, then after C, then D. After F, you go clockwise, B, C, D should come. Or else there is a mistake from your end. Okay, we are doing trial and error. We are not dumping directly the things. So first I taken trial and error. What's E and H this side or that side where is possible. Okay, then we are mapping it and then we are doing it. Now between B and H, two friends are there. That's also satisfied everything. Right. Now next one, we have 7 friends, 7 companies, 7 different joining dates. You need to map all these details. PQRSTUV is 7 friends. 7 companies are A, B, C, D, E, F, and G, and 7 joining dates are 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now map that. Okay, this is the data. First note down that short lines, that friend's name, company's name, dates. Then you can create the table. 3 columns required. One regarding that person names, one regarding company name, one regarding joining date. 7 people, 7 companies, 7 joining dates. right? Okay, now I'll just show the instructions. I think I that first paragraph, people name, the company name, dates. I hope you copied. Now I'm just showing those data which is required. Names are P, Q, R, S, T, U, V. Companies are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Now this is what the data. Joining dates 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Company names P, Q, R, S, T, U, V. Sorry, people name. Company names are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. E, F, G, that's it, not H also. Always be clear. Map the direct data. Whatever direct data is given, you first to do that. Then work is almost complete. R is placed in E company, direct data. S is placed in B company. S joining date given. C joining date given. R joining date given. So you just map those first. Then almost half burden will be. There's a lot of other questions. I am keeping only one question here. In which company T is T placed? Only I kept one, but there are a lot of other questions which is possible. So I'm just creating my table for the people P, Q, R, S, T, V. So for R placed in which company? E company, joining date 13. So what I'll do, okay, this looks like very simple, maybe it's a bit silly as well, things what I'm doing. So you write all those numbers and dates in the list. Once it is arranged, you cancel that. So E completed, 13th date is assigned. R placed in E, okay, joining date. The one who placed in C company, joining date is 14. Okay, somebody C, joining date is 14. Fine. But related to which person we don't know. Let it be C done 14 completed. S is placed in B and joining date is 8. SB joining date 8. B completed, 8th completed. Okay. Fine. Then there is data. V's joining date is next to that of P, who is placed in A. P is placed in A company. Okay. P next date is nothing but V's one. And his joining date and has his joining date after T, just after T. See, V's joining date is next to P, whereas P joining date is next to T. So T next day P, next day V, T, P, V. Those three dates consecutively required. Now, which three dates are consecutively available for us? 9, 10, 11. Right, TPV, 9, 10, 11 only available. So 10, 11, 12 also possible. Fine, agreed. Sorry. 9, 10, 11, 10, 11, 12. Both possible. Fine. Then we'll wait and check that. Q is neither placed, V is placed in F. Okay. V placed in F. Fine. Yes, C placed in C 14th, right? So we have three consecutive, which is those three people. TPV. TPV is taking, it may be 9, 10, 11 or 10, 11, 12. So T, P and V. Okay, then C14. C14 should be taken by Q is neither C nor D. So U is C and 14. That's observe why I given U is C and 14. C and 14. Why I am placing for U, you just check it out. Because okay, two slots empty required. It's available for Q, T and U. But T already taken 9, 10, 11 or 10, 11, 12. Why not Q, sir? Q is neither C nor D. Q and T out. Now only I can assign for U. So U completed C14. F is already completed. Then we left with A. A also assigned for D. Only D and G are available. And they said Q not going with C, D. Q is not with C and D. Q will go with G. T will go with D. So which company T is placed is actually that is the question. In which company is T placed? D. But now joining dates are pending. Only we are done with 8, 13 and 14. And okay, is there any other stuff? Or is placed in E? Okay, C is placed and I join it just after T. Next to that of. So fine, there are a lot of possibilities regarding joining date. That's what not a lot of possibilities. It can be 9, 10, 11. Okay, or 10, 11, 12. So among that we need to assign. That's what we have 4 dates, 4 people that cannot be decided actually. With the data what they mentioned, it's typical to assign TPV, then we are left with Q. Related to Q, is there any other Q? Q, not D. V is joining date next to P after T, and has his joining date just after T. So, fine. So regarding joining date, we have a dilemma here. We have a dilemma. T can be 9 or 10. This can be 9 or 10. P can be 10 or 11. V can be 11 or 12. Sorry. V can be 11 or 12. Q can be 9 or 12. If I go for 10, 11, 12, Q will take 9. They go with 9, 10, 11, Q will take 12. There are different possibilities for this. Is there any statement missing? Let me check again. But this is what. Now, next one. Meanwhile, you check this question. 7 people, Monday to from Monday, one of the days from Monday. Okay, 7 Monday to Sunday, you can say. We have to assign which people is going for shopping on what day. Now, only 2 columns, people and shopping days. People are PQRST. What is that? Okay, UV. Same, similar to previous. Okay, names are PQRST UV. Starting from Monday. Monday to Sunday, you have to go. Now, assign this is the data. 7 days, Monday onwards. PQRSTUV. Or you fix the days and assign the persons. That's better. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Now assign the persons. The previous question, I'm just again cross-checking the data. Okay, R is from E. Okay, birthday is on 13. The one is 14. V birthday is next to B. From A, okay, after T's. S is from Chandigarh, 8th. That's it. Nothing more. Fine, what about this question answer? P goes shopping on Thursday, so Thursday block. You go shopping before P, not immediately before. You should be among Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. T, Q, and U go shopping before R. There is 2 days gap between Q and R. 2 days gap between Q and R. It can be like this or it can be like this. T, Q, and U go before R. So this should be like this only. Okay, not this one. They given T, Q, and U go before R. Fine. So R is the one which is playing role. Only two people do shopping between P and S as well as P and V. So this two people between P and S and P and V. Right. Only two people. So it can be V here or S here, or it can be S here or V here. S and V. We go shopping on Sunday, so that gives the clarity. Okay, V will be at the end, S will be at the starting. Right. And TQU go shopping before R. There is 2 days gap between Q and R. So many possibilities with that statement. You go shopping before P. Okay, you among these two, one slot is for you. This is done, this is done, this to be used, this things to be used. Okay, U is before P, fine. Then definitely R is after P only, right? It can be Saturday or it can be Friday because TQ, I can put T and U before P. Chances, there are many possibilities. I'm just Saturday is there mentioned, so Thursday, fine. Okay, R is on Saturday. One possibility, yeah, Friday also we can try. U is before P, okay, not just be, immediately before, so U can be here or here. Okay, one chance is T, Q and R 2 days gap, no, sorry. 2 days gap between Q and R, then this is one possibility. Or the other possibility, Q here, 2 days gap, R here. Q and U definitely between P and okay, this is U, here U, this is two chances I'm telling you. There are two possibilities, U, Q, P, here T, okay, but we want T between before Q and U, so this is eliminated. Only possibility is this, satisfying all these conditions. Fine, this is the order perfect. So S, U, Q, P, T, R, V, trial and error all we did and we finalized this is the answer. We have to do trial and error. It's not directly we can map, do trial and error. They'll ask plenty of questions from this. They may ask you who is on Tuesday, who is on Saturday, how many people between you and R, how many people between you and R. There are a lot of questions they can plan. Now, data sufficiency. Let me see how many of you can answer. Data sufficiency. Is John taller than Jack? Jake. Okay. Jake, sorry, yeah. This answer both statements together. Because fine, see, Jack is tallest in his class. This is regarding particular classroom, right? So we cannot map it. He is tallest among all. So okay, they given tallest in his class. Both statements together. If John and Jack both are there in the same class, as Jack is tallest, John taller than Jack. J. I said no. Yes or no, both are okay. Whether answer is yes or no, you have to answer that. To answer that, whether you have data or not. That's it. Next one, determine minimum number of straight lines required to create the following graph. Figure. How many straight lines for this? Question, number of straight lines. Number of straight lines. Yeah, it's easy one actually. You have to calculate. If you draw that line, same figure also again fine. Hexagon, 6 lines are required for that shape first of all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lines, and this is seventh line, 8, and this is 9, 10, 11, 12. 6, and this vertical and horizontal 2 extra. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. It's not 11, 12. You can calculate that. Okay, 12. Don't say this is one line, this is one line, this is separately line. No. Same slope, one line only. Same slope should be considered as one line. Don't separate it. Same slope should come under one line. Yeah, what about this one? It's similar to coding and decoding, but they given like problem figure, answer figure, return plus two logic. Plus two logic, plus two logic. So again, applying plus two logic, you will get only F and D option plus 2. Hard one out. Different one among these four options. Option C. Okay, bottom these two lines extra. Remaining entire all same. Bottom they given two lines extra in that set. 1 to 4 all are same. 1 to 4 there is no change in diagram. Third one small change below they added two lines extra. Hard one out means different among those. Now again data sufficiency. Question is this. Now I'm not giving options. You have to tell the options. How many children does Joy have? Okay. Only two. Only two. One alone not possible. Don't go for together. Two alone is possible. Okay. So only one of the statements alone is sufficient. You may have option. Say statement two alone, or they'll give the option. Only one of the statements alone is sufficient. Only one of the statements alone is sufficient. Or statement two alone is sufficient. Statement one is not sufficient. It depends. Now, flowchart related, first note down that box numbers, please. Note down that box numbers, then I'll display the instructions. 10 boxes, copy those 10 box numbers. Now, first step, box 6 and box 10 to be added. What is there in box 6? 5. Sorry, 21. Box 10 is 5. Together 26. Box 5 should be updated to 26. Next, multiply number in box 9 with, listen, number in the box whose number is stored in box 8. What is stored in box 8? You have to go for box 10, the number in that, 5. In fact, we have to multiply box 9 and box 10. Number in box 9 is 4, number in box 10 is 5. 20, this is to be updated in box 4. Read that statement, number in the box whose number is stored in box 8. Number in box 9 is 4, number in the box whose number is stored in box 8. In box 8, 10 is there. I have to go for box 10. Number in the box 10. Number in the box 10 is 5. That statements. Now B4 less than B5. Yes, true. Okay, if not, again I have to repeat that loop. Keep update B4. Right. So B4 is right now 20 less than 26. Yes. Then number in box 2 plus number in box 7. Update to box 1. What is number in box 2? 12. Box 7? 14. The result is 26. Box 1 is 26. Now we'll see the questions what they given. Box 1 is 26. They said, okay, we have only 4 steps to do. There is a loop. If that condition failed, we need to keep repeating that loop. Now, at the end of the flow chart, what is stored in box 5? 26. At the end of the flow chart, which of the following boxes will contain the smallest number? Smallest number, which box? Box 9. 9, box 9. No, among these given options. Which are the following boxes? 1, 4, 1, 2, 4, 5. Among 1, 2, 4, 5, which is smallest? 2. Among 1, 2, 4, 5. So 1 will updated, 4 and 5 updated, 2 not updated. Remaining all are more than 20. Yeah, I agree. Among all, lowest is box 9. Okay, but here among the options, the end of which are the following boxes will contain among these boxes which is smallest. Now, what about this question? 14. So we have to apply both mass rule by default whenever there is multiple operations. So 5 minus 3 and here, sorry, R represents multiplication. Okay. 5 multiplied by 3, then subtracting with 42 divided by 6, then plus 30 divided by. So we have to apply division first, then multiplication as well. So 14.